I wanted to build one robot that could do everything: headlights, dynamic lighting, a scanning sensor, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth connectivity, and bring it all together. Everything started with an Arduino Uno. At first, it looked like the perfect controller. Then came the first motor driver. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just one motor driver had already consumed 4 of the 6 available PWM outputs. Then came the second motor driver, and just like that, every hardware PWM output on the Arduino Uno was gone. The robot wasn't finished yet. I hadn't even connected the ultrasonic sensor, the lighting, or the rest of the planned features. At first glance, it looked like the Arduino still had plenty of unused pins, but the resource I actually needed had already run out. So why couldn't I continue building? The problem wasn't the total number of pins. The problem was that every hardware PWM output my motor control architecture depended on had already been allocated. That's when I came across a small board that completely changed my approach to the entire architecture. Instead of replacing the Arduino, I asked a different question. What if I didn't need more Arduino pins at all? The Arduino only had to communicate with the PCA9685 using just 4 wires. The entire architecture changed. Instead of generating PWM signals itself, the Arduino could now ask the PCA9685 to generate them. The motor drivers were no longer using the Arduino's hardware PWM outputs. Those valuable PWM resources were finally free again. With the PWM generation moved away from the Arduino, the entire system suddenly had room to grow. Now I could add Bluetooth, lighting, ultrasonic sensing, a scanning servo, and everything else the robot was originally designed to do, without redesigning the entire robot again. The Arduino was no longer spending its resources generating PWM signals. It could finally focus on controlling the robot, and that single architectural decision became the foundation for everything this robot can do today. Thank you for watching. This is Nexus Tech Labs. I'll see you in the next video.